Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI and I'm here to talk to you today about this KitchenAid food chopper. One of my favorite things about this is the cord wraps around the bottom. So you don't have to worry about the cord getting in the way when you're trying to put it away or trying to like wrap it around and you're just like struggling with it. This feature here is for pouring the oil in slowly. So if you make homemade mayo like I sometimes do, you just pour it in there and it gradually puts it in so that you don't have to worry about doing it slow enough. One of the best things about this chopper is that it's dishwasher safe. I've had this thing for years and look, it's still in like perfect condition. There is nothing wrong with this. And it's so nice and compact. It's super easy to store anywhere. I was making dinner the other night and I wanted a fast way to shred some cheese. I threw it in here and it chopped it up perfectly. Definitely something worth a try. I love this small kitchen gadget that can do so many different things. I'm Brooke with WTI, and that was my point of view.